Hey mate, thought it'd just be easier to do a little recording for you instead of email. Yeah, so Michelle here has definitely gone through. So how we've set it up is the new members is the list that they go into for, I think it's a 3 or 4 day automation. So anyone who hits that as brand new member, that's when we send them the indoctrination and the intro workflow. There's one here. So welcome to the Jout method. Have you logged in? The promise, and then the guides and recipes. So once they go through that, so they join it, and then 1 to 3 days. So they're in there for 3 days. They get these 4 emails over 3 days. So day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3. Once they get all those 4 emails, they get removed out of this new members list and put into the active members list. So then they go from here. So this one's always going to stay relatively small because they get taken. So see, we can have 51 people who have come through here, but only 4 are in there still. So they end up in the active members list. So if I jump into that, I can see sort of by date. She should be top there. Yeah, Michelle. So another thing, if you ever get confused or you want to check how they've come through, where the activity that they've had, I can see here on the right hand side. So I'll just click through to her account. You can either do it through contacts or find her in the list, or just type her name. She should pop up. So if you want to know the activity that they've had, where they've gone, etc., you can just jump in here on this pane on the right. So subscribe to the Jout method new members via API. So that's via the website. They entered that automation for the Jout member membership. They got sent the campaign, welcome to the Jout method, sent the email on it. She opened it. She clicked that link to join the group. So then the next day, 3 days ago, she got sent, have you logged in? She opened that. Day after, she got sent that email, etc. So then you can see, I can see here, so subscribe to list the Jout method active members by that automation. Unsubscribed from the new members. So that's how that automation is all set up. So yeah, that's how I can see where they've gone. And I can see that she's just received that book, the 21-day transformation challenge that you sent her. So yeah, they go through that within 3 days. It's a 3-day automation. They get all their emails, all their intro and onboarding emails, and then they go into your main list. So if that's not how you wanted it set up, let me know. But from memory, I think we're all cool with that. But yeah, she's definitely in there. She's gone through it all.